Hello, my dear friends. So finally it's 2023 and I wish you a happy new year. I wish you to finish all your projects or to start new ones. And I have a good and bad news for you. It was quite a crazy economically period. So, inflation is high and I just checked the valuation of the cars. Almost all cars went up around 30% since last year. So, you have to be in a hurry if you want to buy something on a good price still, so search. If you need any advice, just text me, shoot me comment, I will help you to find wherever you're looking. And today I want to make this episode about the Type 1 engine, because I'm working on my project, 1957 Volkswagen Oval, and on this car was a wrong engine. It was from 63, 64, something like that. So finally I found the engine, 56, 57, the period correct engine, and doing some small things, checking and changing. I just removed the old one and will put this one. But this episode is about one particular interesting thing. Recently, I was scrolling the Pinterest, just looking for ideas, and was scrolling Pinterest to check to see how the Type 1 engines look like. And I found out interesting details that there is a small things that you can make to improve the look of your engine. So very simple thing is that if you paint some parts in a black color, it already look better. And I did it, as you can see here. I painted intake manifold, I painted the holder which holds the wiring. Also I painted the carburetor and the fuel pump. And I think, honestly, it looks amazing great, because optically, when it's a black, altogether black, it looks much better. And also, I am working on one idea. I have right here, working on one more small thing. I'm trying to make this beautiful fuel line, It will be like that. It's metal fuel hose. I painted black, and I also putting in such a natural linen wrap, let's say. It's quite a nice thing, because I use it doing it because I have found one very nice company online who sells all kind of wires, and these wires, I use when I build, for example, this car. All my period correct cars, I'm trying to look for this vintage look wiring, because nowadays you cannot buy, and you don't want to buy this old wiring, because this is with inside is a modern wiring, is a new and so on. But you can use this one, as I did it now, to take from here and put on all other objects also. I think it's quite a cool and great idea. And this engine and all this build is a period correct. It's important, but I think the small things that I am putting, it's gonna make it look altogether very, very cool. So now, I am waiting. I took it out my generator, and it's now, my colleague is checking that everything is okay, cleaning and so on. The starter I already did. So now it's just small things. This engine is perfect inside, and nothing wrong with it. So just trying to put all the details together. I also want to show you Yes, I wanna show you also. I have bought this nice original, not used a lot, exhaust made in Germany. I don't know if you can see, but it's quite a nice piece. I painted it black also, and so I still missing some few, let's say, missing some few stuff, but in general I think this engine it's gonna look quite nice. So I don't know, my friends, please comment, because I want to hear your opinion. What do you think about the painting in a black color some parts of this engine? Do you think it looks cool? Do you think it's not necessary? It's better to keep as original, and so on. Just comment, because I want to know your opinion. So this is the short video for today. I'm coming back to my project. So stay on my channel. Please subscribe if you are not subscribing yet, because I'm coming back rapidly. I was a little bit on quite a long vacations, 10 weeks out. But now I'm planning this year to finish all my rest project, around 3-4 cars. So stay on my channel if you like, classic cars and all the content related with that. So once again, my friends, Happy New Year 2023. I wish you all the good stuff and luck and so on, whatever you're doing. And see you next time. Like always, greetings from Vilnius. Ciao.